Kia ora, and welcome to another edition of Truth or Dare. So, today, what are we going to focus on exactly? I was thinking, men and women, boys and girls, is there a job that one can do that the other can't? Yeah? So, today's Truth or Dare. Men and women, boys and girls, is there a job that one can do that the other can't once you take away the biological side of things? Yeah? So once you take out the biological side of things. Even so, yeah? Even so, there are certain biological aspects with, human intervention, with science, can still be made possible. Anyway, let's get straight into it. A doctor. Men and women can both be doctors. Lawyers, same thing. Cab drivers, same thing. Running a restaurant, same thing. Running big businesses, same thing. Law, same thing. Teaching, yes, men and women can teach naturally. What other job is there that men can do that women can't, or women can do that men can't? I can't think of any. Like, I really, literally can't think of any. Pilots, women can fly. Building, women can build. I mean, there is nothing. There's absolutely nothing. Now, I'm sure some of you are thinking, what about sports? Being an athlete, what about it? Women are competing just as men are. You know what I'd love to see? I would love to see a game, yeah, a live game where top performing athletes, men and women, playing on the same field. Literally, yeah, playing on the same field. See, there are certain sports, or there are some sports where, professional athletes, just they just have a men division and they have a female division. I mean, come on. I think it would be exciting there. I really think it would be really exciting to see the men and women just play. See, it would be more exciting. I mean, come on. I'll pay for that. I'll pay to see that. And imagine if the women actually do beat the men in rugby, soccer, basketball. Oh, now that will make life a lot more exciting. Anyway, the reason why I'm saying this is that being a mentor who works with young people, in my programs, boys and girls compete equally. Yeah, I don't change the rules for the girls. I certainly don't change the rules for the boys. We all play on the same field. In fact, even the staff, the adults, play on the same field as the children. I myself compete on the same level. Hell, I get right in there. You know what I'm saying? And the good thing about competition when it comes to children, right? When the children do win, if you're like myself, whereby when I go in there, if it's a game of soccer, I play my hardest. Basketball, I play my hardest. All kinds of challenges, you name it. When it comes to playing with the children, yeah, their teams, I play my hardest. When I win, I win. I celebrate. And when I lose, about that. When I do lose, now that's where the children realize adults can be beaten. It doesn't matter. You don't change the rules. Keep the rules as they are. We will compete on the same playing field as the adults, and we will try and win. See, in the mindset of the children in my programs, our Pride Lands, it's all about trying again. That's what it's really about. Yeah, it's all about trying again. So, win or lose, it doesn't really affect them as much as it would many children out there or many young people out there. Because I've taught them to have the mindset of trying again. because that's more important. So when we compete with them, yeah, naturally, in a fun way, they know, if one wins, then the other will lose. They understand that. So when we play and they win, they know they've won. They know that we did not go soft on them, that they actually competed on the same playing field, and bam, they won. And trust me, you never hear the last of it. Or at least, in my case, forever. I still hear the same thing. Things that have happened like 3-5 years ago, I'm still hearing about it. Especially the ones that I've lost. But that's great. I've seen the girls beat the boys at all forms of sports and games and challenges. Girls are just as equally as capable. If my sons were girls, if I had daughters, I can tell you this, they'll be as confident, as capable, as strong, and definitely hot-headed as they are now. And that's the beauty of it. When you give your children the chance to excel, they will. When you hold them back thinking they're fragile and they can't and maybe they shouldn't because they might hurt themselves and so on, you're just holding them back, hey? Yeah, you're just holding them back. Ladies and gentlemen, look, things have changed. Yeah, things have changed. In fact, things should have changed long ago. We as a society, in my belief, that we've been holding women back for so long, especially young girls. I've seen girls who I see potential in them. And they know as well, they have these qualities and potential, but what's holding them back is the whispers from family, sometimes friends. Boys and girls can achieve equally if you inspire them, if you encourage them, and you most certainly motivate them and stand by them. They will excel and they will surprise you. So please, I dare you to inspire your children, both boys and girls alike. Yeah? The truth is, we don't inspire them enough. The truth is, we hold them back in the fear that they might hurt themselves, they might do this, do that. Come on, that's your fears. Save your fears. Now let them get out there and compete and have fun doing so. So that's my dare to you. That you get out there and you encourage them to excel, to reach for the stars. Because I know every young person, boy, girl, man, woman, can definitely achieve anything they set their mind into. Thank you very much. Have a pleasant weekend. Ladies and gentlemen, I wish you a great day. See you then. Bye.